In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, Instagram used to have its dark mode under accessibility. If you click on the hamburger at the far right on the top navigation, and you go to accessibility, you scroll down to accessibility. It used to be here, but they removed it, and now you can only update it via your phone settings if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to settings, and once you're in settings, you're gonna go to display and brightness. And once you click on display and brightness, from here you can change to dark or light, or you leave it at light, or you can change it to dark. And from here, once you go back to Instagram, you should have your Instagram on dark settings. Now, for me, I've also added it as part of my control center. When I scroll to the top and I click on this button here, it's going to change to light mode, and here I can toggle it back to dark mode. Now that's how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.